Hello and welcome to the Views Club. If you guys want to learn how I make my Mexican red rice, continue watching this recipe. Once you start cooking this, it's going to start turning into a pale rice. Okay? So it goes from pale to a white color like the pan rice. And that's how you know it's being cooked. And what this part does, it helps you keep the form of the rice so that it doesn't turn into a mushy, sticky rice. Although, I've been known to mess this recipe up often. So what we're looking for is a brown golden color. And I'll show you guys that on the next clip. Okay, so if you see that part, if you end up burning a few of them, you're going to survive, I promise you. But this is the color and consistency you want to go to. They're a little bit like a beige color now, and some are toasted. So when you get to that point, you want to add your water. The instructions in my rice say to add 2 cups of water per cup of rice. So that's one. Ooh, that's steamy and hot. Be careful. This 2, I'm gonna add my judgment on it. So you're gonna add about one teaspoon of the Knorr chicken bouillon, 1 can of this tomato sauce, I highly recommend you pay the extra cents for the flavor and the hunt. It's really good. So right now I have my heat at a medium, and just make sure that you mix this properly in here. What you're gonna do to this, you can pick whatever veggies you like. I like carrots and I like peas, but right now I only have some peas ready, so that's what I'm gonna pour in here. So I just added a cup to that. Excuse me. I added a cup of peas. Once you have this at a full boil, go ahead and get a spoon and taste your broth. See if you need to add a little bit more of your seasoning, and take it little by little after that. I'm gonna add just a little bit extra, which is a little bit less than half a teaspoon. Once you bring that to a boil, bring it to a medium heat. At the end of this, I'm going to tell you how long it boiled for so that you have an idea and you don't burn your rice. Okay friends, this is what I have going on right here. I'm going to mix it so you guys can see. This has been going on for about 16 minutes. And anywhere between 15 and 16 minutes is when your rice is going to be done. So just give it a good little mix. Turn it off, put the lid on it until you're ready to consume. I know this recipe was very quick, and honestly it is that quick to make this rice. I needed it for the enchilada recipe that I made for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.